But you can't really, it's gonna be so hard to copy this because you need to. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to find the transcript for a YouTube video. Let's say just a random YouTube video and you want to access the transcript for this video. Well, I have two ways and it's pretty easy. First is through YouTube and second is through an external service. Let me show you how that works. Let's go here on YouTube and then let's find a video that we can use as an example. Okay, so back then it used to be here, the triple dots here, but since YouTube updated, it's no longer here, and instead you can find it by scrolling down, and you'll find here something called show transcript. Click on it and then it will show you the captions or the transcript of the video. You can also access other languages or the auto-generated version, but here it is. These are the transcript that we can find for the video. But you can't really, it's gonna be so hard to copy this because you need to go through everything like that. Drag, 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 drag. And then you won't even be sure if it's gonna be organized in the end. So let's try the other one. First, let's copy the link from this video. Search up YouTube transcript generator. Go to this one, youtubetranscript.com, and then you enter the URL that we just got earlier. Go. And then as you can see here, we have the transcript from the YouTube video. And it looks more organized than having to see the timestamps from earlier. You just click here to copy the entire transcript. Have the auto scroll feature here. If you want to play the video, it's gonna move the transcript from up to down and then read it to us so that it won't be so hard to follow through the events of the video anymore. That's it. That is how you can get the YouTube transcript from a video. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. This was Kim. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.